Welcome to Market Mornings. My name is Robert Roy. This update is for Tuesday, November 22nd, 2022. Hope you're having a great day. I hope it was a good trading day for you yesterday as well as today. As we get started here, keep in mind that everything we look at is for educational purposes only. Nothing's meant to be advice or recommendations. All right, if you like what you see here, make sure you're following along with the various social platforms we've got out there. There's a ton of content, a ton of information, a ton of trade setups that we put out across the various platforms you do not want to miss. All right, let's start off with the economic reports for today. Got a couple of orange out there, and Richmond Manufacturing Index, not a big report, never really is. Everything going on with inflation and such, it's a little bit higher level report. Then 11 o'clock, 2:15, 2:45, board members of the Fed speak. Open mouth, insert foot. That's what we're looking to see if it happens. We saw it last week where one of the board members had come out and said, we need 5 to 7% hike, up to 5 to 7% just to get through inflation. So that put the market in a tizzy. When we look at the futures, the S&P 500, the ES is up 9, the Dow is up 75, the Nasdaq's up 20, the RUT's up 6, Bitcoin's up 15. Woo, it's 15.7. Ethereum's the only red on the screen here, 1,089. Gold is up 8. To 1748, and crude is up $1.20, got back above 80 again, 81.25. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at our candidates for today. And I do have a watch list built out with those candidates in it. Hold on. All right, there we go. Ta-da! List is built, right? I had it in there. I didn't hit save. I hit a delete button, and it wiped all of them out again. So I just added them back in about 15 seconds, and they're good to go. So the very first one is ABNB. Now, they got a downgrade. Didn't write down who it was, so it wasn't really important. They're already in a bearish bias. I like downgrades, bearish bias. It's all a matter of where does it fall in relation to the fib. If we go back and look at the entire Fibonacci, you can see it's a nice pattern, lower highs, lower lows. Me like it a lot. It's down $1.50 to 94.20. So where is it? It's right at that fib line. So we're going to look at a bear call spread above 100. All right? Up above that 100-point level, that red dot dash line. Right? Then we have BBY. Why not? What do you mean why? BBY, they are up $5.27. It is on earnings. They were in a bullish neutral bias. Yes, bullish neutral bias is where they were. Let me bring it in a little bit. They were in a bullish neutral bias. Right now, they're up $76. They just got above that 75.94 level. They're at 76.10 right now. So if we go to 69 to 76, that's $7. We've got $5 here. We need to split that level in half, right? So we need to add a negative 136 and a 118 to our fib lines. There we go. And if you're ever wondering why we do this, why do we add these, why do we put them in there, go over to tradinglikeaboss.com. I'll leave a link to the description, to the website down below in the description, and you will see this Fibonacci today's power indicator. Go ahead and download that indicator set. It'll talk to you about fibs and how they work and what we do and so forth, right? It's free. There's no cost to it. All right, so we're looking at that fib line. Now we're at 76. We can go ahead and put our bull put spread below 72. Yeah, I like that a lot. Then we go to BX, as in the cable, right? No, not quite, but something like, electrical stuff. Don't worry. Home Depot's in my head today. BX is down today. Let's see. They're actually down $2.29 to 87.5. They got a downgrade from Credit Suisse. They already were in a bearish bias. I like it. That's where I want to see it. Bullish bias, downgrade, and it keeps it in bullish. I don't care. Bearish bias and a downgrade, and it just makes it worse. I like it. Right? 87.5. Oh, Rob, I don't want to make money off somebody else's misery. Then make the money and give it away to someone that can use it. All right? That's all I can tell you with that. So 87.5 is where we are right now. So we're right at that fib line. We're going to look at a bear call spread above 92. I understand having values and morals and all that stuff, but making money on somebody else's misery on the downside, I get it. You do you for sure, right? For me, if that's how I felt, and I've done that before with airplane crashes or disasters, you give the money away, it's okay, right? Help those that really need it, that can't help themselves right now. Intuit, INTU, is got a coverage initiated by Credit Suisse. And they're up $1.25, 376 quarter. So let's see, 80, we got 20, yeah, we don't need Fibbits in there, we're good. So 376. So look what I'm saying. We've got a bearish bias, okay? We're still down below that 380. It didn't drive us above the fib line, and even if it did, it kept us bearish. So could you take this trade? You could aggressively, and the way I would do it, if you're looking aggressive, would be a bull put spread below 363 aggressive, meaning less contracts, right? For me, realistically, saying next on this trade is a better choice just because we're in a bearish bias and the good news hasn't driven it up enough, right? Last, we have Zoom, ZM. They had earnings come out. The earnings, not good. They're down $7 to 73 bucks right now. Let me just pull this out a little bit to the right. Let's get a bigger picture of the fib. Fib is good. So if we're at 73.15 right now, we're just above that 72 half level. So 72 to 79, we've got $7 in there. I don't need to split that level. So we're looking at a bear call spread above 79. All right, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Have a great rest of your day. Stay focused on the quest to becoming a great trader. Keep crushing it. And remember, you're just one trade away. Take care. I'll see you all at our next update. Bye for now.